Hi, this is Ben with WTI, and the great thing about working from home is I get to choose where and how I'm going to sit. That's where the LapGear lap desk with cushion and cup holder has come in handy. Let me tell you what I like about this product. Here's a user's eye view of the desktop. It's nice and light. It has this cushion underneath. It has a bar here at the bottom to keep your device in place. And as you can see, it's got the cup holder so I can keep my beverages handy. The bottom is like a beanbag type feel to it, so it'll adjust to the contours of your lap or your stomach or whatever you're placing it on. So if you work from home or you just like having a nice desktop that you can use while in bed or just lounging on the couch, the LapGear lap desk with cushion and cup holder is a great buy. And that's my point of view.